Hello friends, welcome back to Laravel tutorial. We are discussing about some quick tricks on array. In this video, we are going to discuss small tricks on the array. Suppose we have a large array and I want to get some random values. So if you are a game developer or sometimes if you want to get some random element from your array, so that time you can use that things. Okay. Suppose my array is like that, so this is the numbers array and I want to get some random number from that array. So how we going to do this? Simply just create another variable and simply pass the array, and this is the random function, and just pass the array name is the numbers. Okay, and you will get random variable or random things into your application. Okay, so simply just echo the random and you will get these things. So before that, we need to make sure we included this illuminate support array. This actually the array helper. To use any array helper function, we need to include that things, and after that we can use the array then array function. Okay, now just refresh this, we are getting the 20. So this is the random number from that array. Now if you refresh again, we will get some defined number 40, then 20, then 30, whatever. Actually it will fetch anything from that array. Okay, so we are getting only one value. Suppose we have element like 70, 80, 90, 100, 110, 120. So this is actually the large array. Now I have to get multiple things into my array, multiple number from the array. Suppose I have to get the more than one element, means suppose I have to get the two numbers. Okay, and that time it will return as an array, and simply just print that things, and you will get maximum or minimum. Actually you will get the two numbers from that array. Okay, so refresh this, we are getting the 10 and 90, then 60, 110, then 100 and 120. So if you just refresh or if you change to 3, then you will get up to 3 element from that array. So like this. Okay, so you can do that easily. We don't need to write any complex logic for that things. Simply just use the array helper function, there is the random function, and using that things you can do that easily. So hope you can understand that things, and if you have any questions about this video, please comment in the below comment section. So next we are going to discuss about another quick tricks on array. So please like and subscribe this channel for upcoming video. Thanks for watching this video. Have a good day. Bye.